Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will explore Taiwan Semiconductor in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.09. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.93%. This results in an average return of 0.55% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides at the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $177.74 will first indicate a slower rate of decline, but may also serve as the initial sign of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 20.65% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 41.64% and negative 18.14%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of positive 10.39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 8.36% and positive 47.89% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $157.88 and $254.79. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor features the headline, Taiwan Semiconductor stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price decreased by 2.34% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025. Dropping from $176.40 to $172.28. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.43%, ranging from a low of $170.59 to a high of $174.74. Remarkably, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 13.79% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also declined on the last day, aligning with the drop in stock price, which is a positive indicator since volume typically follows price movements. On that day, trading volume decreased by 70,000 shares, with a total of 12 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $226.40, while the lowest price was $133.57. Currently, the stock price stands 23.90% or $54.12 below the 52-week high of $226.40, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, experienced a decline in its stock by 2.26% today, reflecting broader market trends as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also dipped. Despite this downturn, TSMC shares had previously surged by nearly 20% over the past month, significantly outperforming the ZAC's computer and technology sector. This recent volatility suggests a market correction following a strong rally, which may prompt investors to either secure profits or reevaluate their positions. In the long term, TSMC's strategic expansion initiatives, particularly its manufacturing facility in Arizona, demonstrate its commitment to enhancing domestic chip production and minimizing geopolitical risks. Analysts maintain a positive outlook on TSMC due to its pivotal role in the semiconductor value chain, driven by ongoing demand from sectors such as artificial intelligence and technology. Furthermore, the appreciation of the Taiwan dollar against the US dollar, spurred by speculation regarding a potential trade agreement with the United States, may create a favorable environment for TSMC's international dealings. This shift could enhance profit margins, positively influencing stock performance in the long run. As TSMC continues to navigate economic uncertainties and seize growth opportunities, investors will need to monitor its earnings reports closely as signs of strong demand emerge. Overall, today's price movements reflect both short-term market reactions and longer-term growth prospects, indicating that TSMC continues to be a crucial player in the semiconductor industry. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM a hold rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Susquehanna gave TSM a positive rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, Barclays rated TSM as overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, Daiwa assigned TSM a buy rating with an upgrade action. Finally, on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Barclays once again rated TSM as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support at $170.75 and $163.77. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 3.90%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average has provided a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 46 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $158.75 and $146.80. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Taiwan Semiconductor finds support just below today's level at $158.75. If this support is broken, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $146.80 and $146.17. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $4.15 between its high and low, or 2.43%. For the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.40%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.13. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $172.97. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $158.75. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $163.45, reflecting a decline of 5.13%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? While the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook. We believe that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Based on our latest analysis, we have upgraded our recommendation for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we anticipate that Taiwan Semiconductor will open higher by approximately 256 0.10 and start trading at $172.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.